Welcome back, everybody. Robert with Occupancy Boost. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to increase your occupancy by attracting international and out-of-state customers to your property. There's a unique area of the Booking.com Extranet that gives you data on exactly which countries to target and which state to target in order to increase occupancy and run promotions specifically to those customers. Stay tuned. I'm going to switch screens and show you how to get this done and a lot more. Okay, I'm on the Booking.com Extranet, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to this Promotions tab right here, and you're going to want to go to Choose New Promotion. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what the deal is here. Well, down here under Targeting, there's two different promotions that you can run. You've got one that's called a country rate and one that's called a U.S. state rate. Let's go to the country rate first. So you're just going to click on this Add Promotion button. And as you can see here, it scroll down a little bit. It's going to show you, it's going to ask you which countries you would like to target. Now, the neat thing about this is it shows you, it says guests traveling from the countries you target will see your discounted rate. Data comes from your country over the last 14 days. So over the last 14 days, it's kind of showing where business is coming from into your area. And for this property that I have pulled up right now, it's saying that 8% is coming from European economic area. That's not bad, I guess. Not, I mean, I would like to see that a little bit higher. International is 21%, which is more countries and regions. So international is going to be a lot more than just Europe, Middle East, and Africa. It's probably going to include, several more countries. But if you want to target international customers, you can run a promotion by clicking on this right here. I'm going to show you how that looks in a second. I want to scroll down here a little bit more and show you. United Kingdom is 2%. Mexico's 1%. So really what they're saying here is, if you want to target the largest majority of share of customers that you could target outside of your country that you're in, for this particular hotel is located in the United States, would be international. So you would click on that, and then you're just going to go to, and you can do additional countries here. I'm not gonna scroll on those because I don't really want to. They're gonna be small like this. It's gonna be a small percentage amount. So you scroll down here. Once you click on that, whatever one you want to select, you hit your stay dates, which are going to be what period you want to run the promotion for. These promotions here are set up for no end date, so it's going to run continuously. But if you have dates that you want to block off, let's say, for example, you want to block off weekends, you just click that yes button, and then down here, you can go through and you can black out your weekends for under this promotion. Okay, and all the dates are going to show up right there. And then you're going to pick what rate plans and rooms you want it to run off of. So you can do specific room types if you want to. For this particular hotel, obviously they got a mixture of kings, doubles, handicap rooms. You can run it on one room if you want, one room type, or you can run it on several room types. Obviously, if you've got a room type that's really popular that sells out all the time and you don't want to discount it, you would not want to include that room type in your promotion. And then your length of stay is going to be how many nights you want a person to stay. You can always put a minimum length of stay on here of up to 7 nights on Booking.com. I'm sorry, you can actually do more for this promotion. So you can run this up to like even 7, 8, 9 nights. You could make it so if somebody's booking overseas, in order to get a discount, they're going to have to stay for a minimum of a certain number of nights. And, like I showed you here, you can click on however many you want. And then you go to your book window, and you basically can put it in for, how long you want this promotion to show before check-in, how many days before check-in. I always set mine up to any time before check-in. I don't put a time limit on there. I don't cut it off. If somebody's trying to book the same day, I want them to be able to book that promotion. Now, I did scroll back up to the top here. One thing I skimmed over I want to show you guys is the percentage off right here. This percentage off is what you're going to choose to give the discount based upon. So you can do a discount between 5% and 30%, as you can see up here. Okay, so once you fill out all that information here, you're going to have to put some thought into how much of a discount you want to get. Now, one thing that's very, very, very important when it comes down to Booking.com is a lot of their promotions stack on top of each other. Meaning if you already have a promotion opened up for a mobile promotion for 10% off, a lot of promotions that you run, if I were to run this country rate, it does not stack on top of a mobile promotion, which is good, but it does stack, and it shows you right here, it stacks on Genius. So if you're part of the Genius program, or you've got some basic deals set up, if you run a 10% promotion here for this country rate, it's gonna be an additional 10% off of whatever you have, whatever discount amount you have on these promotions right here. This one does not stack with mobile, which is good because honestly, I run mobile promotions for most of my hotels. That's the most popular promotion, and that was one of my concerns when I set these up, was to make sure that this discount didn't stack on top of a mobile promotion. And what I see for a lot of hotels that have promotions running, most of them have mobile promotions running. That's the most popular one on the Booking.com Extranet to run. So that's good that this promotion does not stack on top of a mobile. One thing you're going to want to be aware of, though, if somebody's in another country wanting to book a room and you have a 10% mobile promotion running over here and you want to advertise that you've got a special discount for international travelers, you're going to want to make this at least 11 or 12%. That way it shows it. I guess it will outshow that mobile promotion. That mobile promotion will be dimmed, and it will just show that international promotion like you're trying to target. So very, very important thing to keep in mind there. Now, if you want to run, let me go back here and show you guys the state rate. So if you want to run the state rate, you're going to go back to that same tab you're going to go into the promotions, and the state rate right here. You just click on add a promotion. And again, this hotel's the United States. This hotel's located in Little Rock, Arkansas. So we're going to look, it's going to show you what the high traffic areas are for your area that are coming in. So you can see right here, Texas, 21% of the searches come from Texas. Now, again, this is not bookings. This is searches. So what they're doing is they're taking search data. So when somebody from Texas goes in and searches for a room in Little Rock, Arkansas, that becomes part of the data. They may not have booked a room, but they're searching for rooms. So this is all search data. Tennessee is 8.5%, Missouri is 11%, Oklahoma's 7%. Now you could include all these and run these all in one promotion if you want. What you could do is you could actually set up different promotions for each state and see which one works the best for you, and then eliminate the ones that you don't want to run them for. There's a lot of different scenarios you can use here. So I think the main thing is to take this data, study it a little bit, see what makes sense for you, and then go from there. And this works pretty much just like the international promotion that I just showed you. In this state, this is located in Arkansas, and obviously most of their travelers come from Arkansas. It allows you to run a promotion just for people in Arkansas only. I don't really do that, to be honest with you. I want to capture people that are booking out of state. So since Little Rock is probably one of the biggest cities in Arkansas, I kind of, I don't really worry too much about trying to capture people from the state that I'm in. I want to see who I can get from outside, outside of my vicinity. So it's going to work pretty much how the international rate works, where you're going to pick your discount amount, you're going to block dates, so on and so forth, and then run the promotion. So when you're all done, this is what it looks like. And I have set these up for another hotel that I have in New Mexico. And I just set these up so you're not seeing any figures here. And one nice thing about promotions at Booking.com, when you go on that promotions tab there to see what promotions you're running, it'll show you the date you started the promotion, the ending date of the promotion. Is going to show you how many bookings you've had right here and what your rate is. So kind of a nice little thing it does for you there. It kind of gives you a running total on how your promotions are doing. Now these two promotions I'm running here for this property, there's an Arizona rate and a Texas rate. So I'm running one for Arizona, one for Texas. And I'm also running I thought I was running an international. Yes, I'm running an international promotion for this one too at 15% off. So there's no data showing here for how many rooms it's produced because I just launched these a couple days ago. So there hasn't been enough time to have it start working yet, or the information, the bookings haven't filtered in there if I've had any bookings. You got to give it about a couple of weeks in order to kind of see what starts showing up in there for you. So yeah, that's pretty much how it works. And you can end these at any time. You just click on the promotion and you click on deactivate, and you can reactivate it too if you decide you wanted to run it again at another time. But pretty simple. That's how it works. I just thought it'd be important to show you guys how these promotions work, and running international promotions and out-of-state promotions. I think it's definitely something you should look at, especially if there's high search results outside of your state or outside the United States for your region. That's all I have for today, guys. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. I got a lot more videos coming out. When you subscribe, it'll notify you that a new video's come out to teach you guys all about these extranets. Stay tuned for more. Thanks.